Y'all, I'm making a video for the PS4 because this shit is not playing the game regular, right? It starts making some weird like clicking and clacking noises and shit. You hear it? Well, I got a trick. Here's the front of it, right? I'm gonna turn it like this. Ooh, I got live motherfucking action, big dog. Check this shit out. But I do recommend still vacuuming that shit out because as you see, your boy got it right up against the curtains and shit. That's probably the worst place for it. But I did that and that worked also. But I like this shit because it's a lot quicker. When I'm trying to get on the sticks and fuck somebody up, I ain't got time for all that other shit. No, I'm talking about. Alright, look at this shit. Come on, Scooter. Fucking sent me a bullshit remote on eBay. Alright, there you go. Like, subscribe, all that shit, shouty.